This program is about mechanical steering maintenance. By keeping your boat's steering system in proper working order, you can ensure that you have safety and proper control of the boat at all times. Corrosion, salt, and dirt are the major contributors to stiff steering and, in some extreme cases, cable seizure. In order to prevent that, you have to do annual or biannual inspections. If you're in freshwater, you should inspect your system at least once a year. If you're in saltwater, 2 times a year. To properly maintain the steering system on this boat, you're going to have to remove the steering cable from the engine. In order to do that, you're first going to have to remove the nylon lock nut that attaches the steering cable end to the drag link. On the other side of the tilt tube, you're going to have to back off on this nut completely. Once you've done that, go ahead and pull the steering cable out of the tilt tube. Now you want to go in and clean the tilt tube. Make sure it's clean on the inside, and then take white lithium grease and apply it liberally throughout the tilt tube. Now we've got the cable detached from the engine. Go ahead and pull the end of the cable forward, exposing this portion of the cable. This is the area where you'll get salt, corrosion, and dirt buildup. So you want to make sure this is clean. Same holds true for this end of the cable. Make sure it's clean, it's free from dirt, and that there's no scratches, no corrosion. Once these areas are clean, go ahead and use liberal amounts of white lithium grease to put a new coating on there. The next step is to reattach the cable to the engine. So now we're ready to reinsert the steering cable back into the tilt tube on the engine. So go ahead and do that, and once you've got the cable all the way through, go ahead and secure the drag link back onto the cable end. Make sure you use a new marine grade nylon lock nut. Don't use the old one. On the other end of the tilt tube, make sure that this nut is securely reattached or screwed back onto the tilt tube. If you don't have it on there completely and securely, you'll have some loose play in your steering.